What's up YouTube, Jay Hemi here, back with another video. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but it's been cold. I haven't had time to get out here and record. But this is my diffuser. I got it installed like last month. Basically it's another brake light. It's a rain light. The first time I got it installed, the people that installed it wired it wrong, so I had to take it to one of my friends at a shop and we rewired it. So now it functions the way it's supposed to. I'll get in the car, step on a brake light and show you what it does. Basically, when I step on the brake, the light flickers and I let go of the brake, stop. That's basically what it is. It's a little flasher when I'm not on a brake. It's just a solid light. When I'm on a brake, it's a strobe light. If you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I know I checked my analytics. 93% of you watch my videos and don't subscribe. All it takes is one click. So I'd appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button. Let's end this video with a start.